I'm seriously getting my healthy on right now. I made my avocado ranch chicken salad. What you do is you use light ranch, cashews, yes, peanuts, cashews, avocado, chicken, obviously, a little bit of dill weed, and what the hell else? Celery. A little bit of celery in there. And you can either put it on, the recipe calls for a pretzel bun, but I'm using romaine lettuce because I'm trying to watch my madonkadonk. Just kidding. I'm trying to watch my girlish figure here and lose a little bit of weight. So um, this is extremely healthy. It's amazingly tasty, and I suggest that you try it sometime.